Hey, what's up guys, SoftwareGeek here. Welcome back to another quick tutorial. Today I will show you how to take a screenshot in your motherboard BIOS. Can you do that without an additional video capturing device? All you need to have is a USB flash drive, which is required to be formatted in FAT32 file system. Open this PC. Right-click on your USB flash drive and select Format. If you have NTFS file format, you must format your USB flash drive to FAT32. Click on Restore Device Default. Then press Start. Wait a few minutes for the process to finish and your USB drive is ready to be used. It is very simple to capture a screenshot in BIOS. Restart your computer in order to get into BIOS. You can usually enter BIOS by pressing either F2 or delete on the keyboard, when you see the prompt. Go to the page you want to take a screenshot. Press the F12 or print screen button on the keyboard. If the screenshot is captured successfully, a confirmation message should appear immediately. The screenshot will then be stored in your USB drive as a BMP extension image file. Note that this method may not be supported in older generation motherboard BIOS. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video.